What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at another fixed blade that I picked up recently. As if you've been following the channel, I've been getting into nice, small, very EDC friendly fixed blades lately. So this one is from Woox and it is the Bad Boy in Tanto. It also comes in a drop point version too. So let's go ahead and take a look at this knife today. Woox Outdoors, okay, future tradition, basic information over here. It's funny it says reverse tanto, it's not actually reverse tanto. Made in Italy and USA. Okay, very cool. Alright, so we have a little leather slip here, which I have another sheath to show you, so make sure you stick around for that, because I really didn't care for the looks of this sheath. You know, very simplistic, I guess you could say, and nothing to really prevent the knife from really coming out. It does have some good grip right now, but over time it will loosen up. But there we go. So we have D2 steel. We do have walnut, and this is American walnut imported to Italy, to where they make the blade in Italy. Over here it says Bad Boy. Got a nice recurve tanto blade, full flat grind. Very nice. Got a nice edge on it. Love the hardware. Looks like brass hardware. Very cool, and it does go all the way through, so if you did want to put a lanyard on there, you could. It'd be kind of in your hand, but this is actually a really nice little knife. It is small for sure, so let's get some quick little measurements here of the overall size. So we are looking at 6.5 inches overall size. Blade length, it's about 2 3/4, maybe a little bit more depending on where you wanted to measure from, but it's pretty much definitely under 3 inches in case you have a certain regulation. So your blade edge is about 275, so very cool. And let's just do a quick little thickness test. So about 1/2 inch or so in the handle. I do like how we have the 2 sections of jimping, so you've got a place for your thumb, a place for your index finger if you want to choke up and do some detail work. So I like that. It's very grippy, very grippy. Yeah, it's very, very grippy. So you're not going to slip off of that. And that's very impressive. There's not a lot of little knives that really have that. The overall fit and finish is very nice for a knife around $100, and that's really not too bad at all. Very, very cool, and it feels really good in the hand for such a small knife. That is really very surprising. So let's go ahead and take a look at the other sheath that I bought. And there's 2 versions of this sheath, and one for the tanto and one for the drop point. So very cool. Obviously it only hangs from your belt this way. So very nice leather. Kind of thin, not super thick or anything, but you are only carrying a very small knife. So let's get her on in there. Not very nice and tight, very snug. The leather kind of matches with the walnut of the handle. Nice snap right there. You're not going to have to worry about losing it. It's got a good grip on that blade, so definitely ain't going to worry about losing it, and will carry very good. So let's just do a quick overall size again with the sheath. So with the sheath you're looking at 7 inches overall, and basically a width of about 2 inches. So not too bad. For an EDC knife, fixed blade, that is very friendly, pretty concealable, and I don't think that it would stand out and get too many eyes. You know, I know a lot of people don't really want to have a lot of constant attention from what they're carrying. So this really won't do that. It really won't panic people. So that's what's really cool about some smaller fixed blades is you don't have to worry about the panic of carrying something that is 12 inches long on your side. So there you guys go. That's just a quick unboxing of the Woox Bad Boy Tanto. Alright guys, we will see you next time. Have a great day.